Hey guys, if I'll tell you this picture was sold for $100 million, would you believe it? Yeah. So this was the highest grossing NFT till this time, and I'll show you like how to create your own NFT. Go to OpenSea.io, and here you have like lots and lots of options. So first of all, what you'll require is a MetaMask or a Ethereum wallet to connect to OpenSea. And what we'll do over here is we'll actually see what exactly is going on OpenSea. So OpenSea is actually a trading platform where you can actually buy, sell, and you can like actually have some interface where you can trade with your trending NFTs or top level NFTs, what is trending in the market right now. And these are all digital assets, what you can look into. And so what we'll do is we'll create our own NFT right now. So just click on create button, attach your MetaMask wallet. So as I am doing this demo for you guys, so I have to install it in my Chrome plugin, and I'll just add it to the Chrome, which is my browser right now. And once it is done, what will happen is it will generate a wallet for me, which will be connected to OpenCIO. So let's see how it works. So click on get started, and now we have to create a wallet. Just do what it is saying. I agree. Create a password. It should be like easy enough to remember, because you should not forget your password. Just note it down somewhere and agree to the terms. Create. Now moving forward, see, this option is you have to do next, and it will give you bunch of keys, which you can reveal later on. And as you can see, like my account is having 0 Ethereum balance right now. It is just a demo account I wanted to show you folks. So I have 0 Ethereum over here. So what I'll do is I'll just go back to OpenSea login, and I'll just actually I need to refresh it once. Let me just check it out. Yeah, so I'll just refresh the page, and I'll just connect my wallet. So I'll click on MetaMask, and my MetaMask will be like it will give me option to connect, and the connection will be established after connecting to the application. And just do the sign part, and once that is done, you can actually create the item. So I'll just like upload one dummy item which I have downloaded from internet for the demo sake, and I can just write down whatever name. I'll just type test because it's just testing part. Here in the external link, if you have some like you can say like the website link, anything you can just put in over there. And in the description I'm just putting it like this is my first NFT listing. And over down here I have like collection option. If I have any collectibles, I can just push the list over here as well. And to the properties, it is like what exactly is underneath my item, what I am trying to show it over here. I am just writing test mail, and coming down over here, it is unlockable content that is not required at all. So I'll just click on create. It is just asking me, I'm not a robot. Okay, I'll just click on the captcha again. Yeah, I am not a robot now. Yes, finally the listing has been created over here. I can share to whatever people I want, and I can just sell it over this OpenSea um, place itself. So I'll just type the price, whatever amount I want. I'm just putting 0.2 Ethereum over here, and the duration is like 7 days. You can actually change it as well. If you can also type use timed auction, just do continue selling, and over here like it will just pop me up to my MetaMask wallet. And as you can see, like it is showing insufficient funds, and it is I have to do any of the reject part. And just keep in mind, like if you have much more balance, you can actually go for a higher speed, or if you have low balance, you can go for a low speed. It will create in like less amount of time. And I'll just do reject, and I hope you understood like how you can actually create and sell your NFTs. Thanks a lot. Thank you, folks. I hope you learned something today. Thank you.